Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about the equipments which are used in the process of the filtration. Now there are different types of the equipments which are used for the filtration process. Surface filters are there, depth filters are there, filter leaf is there, meta filters are there, rotary drum filter is there, filter press is there, membrane filters are there. So depending on the slurry which you have to filter, the selection of the filters are done. Now today we'll discuss about the filter leaf. Now this filter leaf, it is used when we have to filter the slurry having up to 5% concentration of the solid. That is the slurry which contains about 5% of the solid in it. For that purpose filter leaves are generally used. It is a batch type of a process. It is a batch type of operation. So what is the principle of this filter leaf? It is an apparatus which consists of a longitudinal drainage screen. It has a longitudinal drainage screen which is covered with a filter cloth. That is going to be covered with a filter cloth. It is a simple mechanism of the surface filtration, and it acts as a sieve or a strainer. And if we have to apply the vacuum, we can apply it vacuum or pressure, so as we get the higher rate of the filtration. So this is what the principle of the filter leaf, that it is used for a what we can say less concentrated or dilute slurries for filtration. Again, it is a surface filtration. It is also called as a strainer, and we can apply vacuum or pressure to increase the rate of filtration. Now we'll discuss about the construction of this filter. Now this filter, it is of any shape. It may be circular, it may be square, it may be rectangular, and it has a drainage, what we can say a grooved plate is there, or a frame is there, drainage frame is there. Consists of a drainage frame or a grooved plate, and on that grooved plate or the drainage what we can say screen, a filter cloth is attached. It is of any, you can see the diagram here. See, this is a diagram from which you will get an idea about the construction. Now see, this is a filter leaf. Now this is a frame. This one, you can see the this is a drainage rod, this circle and this circle, right? And this is a rod, this is a drainage rod, right? To this drainage rod, this outer lining, you can see this is a filter cloth is attached. This outer lining, it is nothing but the filter cloth. This is attached, right? And this drainage rod, it is attached to the suction. Suction means vacuum or a pressure can be applied from this. This is applied with the suction, right? So the slurry which we have to filter, जो भी slurry हमको filter करनी है, in that slurry we will deep this complete assembly. This is called as a filter leaf. This complete assembly is deeped in that pot. वो पॉट में हम लोग इसको डीप करेंगे. सो यू सी, दिस इज व्हाट ड्यूरिंग द फिल्ट्रेशन. दिस इज अ ड्रेनेज व्हाट वी कैन से फ्रेम. दिस इज अ फिल्टर क्लॉथ. जब हम लोग स्लरी में इसको डीप करते, सी हियर इज अ स्लरी, हियर इज अ स्लरी. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस स्लरी इज गोइंग टू इंसर्ट. यहाँ पे हमने वैक्यूम को अप्लाई किया है, यहाँ से स्लरी जो है इट इज गोइंग टू इंसर्ट थ्रू दिस फिल्टर क्लॉथ. It is going to insert through this filter cloth, and in this drainage screen, the liquid will enter and the solid is going to deposit on this filter cloth. The solid, it is going to deposit on this filter cloth to form a filter cake. See, you can see here, this is a filter cake. It is going to form on this filter cloth, and here is a drainage screen, right? Through this the liquid is going to filtrate. Getting it? So this is what the operation or working of this filter leaf. Now when we can again you can wash this filter what we can say cloth. Now after the operation is over, जैसे ही operation खत्म होता है, you dip this assembly in a plain water to wash it. In a plain water you dip this assembly, and to this suction you attach the compressed air. Instead of the vacuum you attach a compressed air. So compressed air से क्या होगा, ये जो filter cloth है ये स्वेल हो जाएगा. ये बाहर आ जाएगा, राइट। एंड कॉम्प्रेस्ड एयर यहाँ से भरेगी तो ये जो है ये बाहर के साइड में फिल्टर क्लॉथ जो है वो बाहर आ जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से द फिल्टर केक विच इज अटैच ऑन दिस फिल्टर क्लॉथ फ्रॉम आउटसाइड विल गेट ब्रेक इनटू द वाटर। वो जो है वो वाटर में वॉश हो जाएगा, वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा, राइट। सो इट इज गोइंग टू break or wash into the water. So see, this is the working. The filter leaf, it is immersed in the slurry. Vacuum system is connected to the outlet. The slurry passes through the filter cloth, right. Then finally filtrate enters the drainage canal and goes through the outlet into the receiver, right. And air is passed, last air it is passed in reverse direction, which facilitates the removal of the cake. So in this way, starting from the filtration up to the removal of the cake, we have studied the working. Now what are the uses? It is used for the slurry which do not contain the higher amount of the slurry. In the start of the session I discussed that up to the 5% solid we can use this filter leaf. Then advantage, it is a very simple filter, it is very simple filter and it is a batch process, it is a batch process. Then you can connect the number of units. यहाँ पे हमने एक यूनिट देखा है, सो वी कैन कनेक्ट द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स इन पैरेलल टू इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया. हम लोग 1 2 3 ऐसे नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं सो दैट वी कैन गेट द हायर सरफेस एरिया. द प्रेशर डिफरेंस इट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड आइदर बाय वैक्यूम और बाय यूजिंग द प्रेशर अप टू ऑर्डर ऑफ 800 किलो पास्कल्स. 800 किलो पास्कल्स तक का प्रेशर जो है, प्रेशर डिफरेंस हम लोग वी कैन ऑब्टेन इट. देन less labor cost is there as we can operate this machine by our own. The efficiency of washing is high. You can wash the slurry also, you can wash the filter cake also, and the cake can be washed just simple by immersing the filter in the vessel of water, right? So this is about the filter leaf. Now this filter leaf is also called as a Sweatland filter if it is attached in number, right? It is an alternative method. If we arrange the many filter leaves 1 2 3 see in the sequence, this is called as the Sweatland filter. Now you can see here, this is a drum in which the slurry is going to pass. Pressure is applied here and these number of leaf filters are here. So surface area is also increased and the same function as that of the filter leaf is there, and you will get the filtrate from here. So this is about the Sweatland filter. So this completes the filter leaf. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel.